The strategy in earning money online that I will introduce to you today is 100% free. You don't need a camera to do this. You will not be required to film yourself. You don't require a large number of social media followers. I'll also give you a free tool that will allow you to complete this task in under 10 minutes. It's a website we've never heard of before. Yes, it's generating hundreds of thousands of dollars for people all around the world. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. First and foremost, this is the website where you may complete the task in under 10 minutes. This isn't a website where you'll be able to earn money. Instead, it's a platform where you can complete those photographs in under 10 minutes. By using the second website, you will be making hundreds of dollars like the others. Let's look at how you can get those images for free. The first website that we will be using is none other than Adobe Spark. Simply go to spark.adobe.com. This is a free online tool with tens of thousands of templates to choose from. This allows you to create professional-looking designs by just dragging and dropping. So simply go to Adobe Spark and learn more about the different types of designs you may create with this tool. What kinds of things can you do with Adobe Spark? You can make social media graphics, for example. To instantly stand out from the crowd, select a photo and apply design filters or animations, as well as creating high-quality designs. It has different capabilities also, like making web pages and short videos, which is more complicated. What we will be focusing on are photos that we can generate in minutes and distribute quickly. After that, you can get paid using the website that I'll show you in a minute. It's also fine if you don't have access to a laptop or computer, because the software is available for both Android and iOS. So you can still do it with your phone. So, even if you're lying in bed with your phone in your hand, you can still accomplish this. It'll be straightforward. So go to Adobe Spark and click on the Get Started Now button. By doing so, you will be redirected to this page wherein you can continue via Google, Facebook, Apple, email, or Adobe ID. Just select one of these by clicking on it. Once you sign up, you will be redirected to this page wherein you can see your dashboard. You can now browse the different templates. You'll be able to browse all of the different templates on this website, and you'll be able to make all of the different graphic designs. They're almost entirely completed for you. All you have to do now is to update the text. As a result, it becomes your own design. With the website that I'll provide you with, you can make hundreds of dollars. You may use it to make Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, photo collages, print presentations, slideshows, branded pictures, and even customized size graphics. All you need now is to scroll down and click on Create a Project. These several templates are all available. You can design flyers, ebook covers, and book covers, among other things. So let's say I want to use the flyer design template as an example. I'm just going to click on that to demonstrate how simple it is. I just need to wait for them to load my design before I can fully personalize my template. Everything can be changed, and all you have to do is double-click the text. Just type in whatever you like. For instance, if I type in Online Money Mastery, this image will alter. Colors can now be customized on the right-hand side. You can choose the text size and font style. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. Everything may be customized. You can add new shapes, shadows, and animations. It's quite simple to use because once again, it's almost entirely done for you. All you have to do now is edit the text and save it to your computer. You can either click the download option right here once you finish designing. This image will be downloaded to your PC right away. This image's high-resolution version will be downloaded. You can do it that way or the other way around. Alternatively, if you wish to remove the watermark, you can use a snipping tool, for example, or any other screenshot program you have installed on your computer. Simply take a snapshot of this image and remove the watermark at the bottom, and you're all set to go. So that's how quick and easy it is to create those designs with Adobe Spark. It takes less than 10 minutes because the templates are 99% complete. Now, let me show you websites that will pay you hundreds of dollars for the designs you have created with Adobe Spark. Design Crowd is the name of the website, and it can be found at designcrowd.com, where you will be compensated for all of your logo design, business card design, web design, flyer design, and graphic design work, which you can all make in less than 10 minutes with Adobe Spark. Let me demonstrate this by going to this designers category and selecting graphic designers, for example. You will be able to observe folks making money from all over the world. If we look at logo designers, for example, we can find that people are making even more money. So, if we go to the jobs section right here, we can see that you can make all of those designs and get paid for them. You can make anything from business cards to posters and pamphlets, postcard designs, Facebook layouts, and designs for YouTube. Everything we saw on the previous website was designed it. You can do it with Adobe Spark in less than 10 minutes of labor. So if you want to focus on flyer designs, you can click on that and you'll be able to see a list of possible tasks. You can submit your design and receive paid for one single image that you may submit. If you finish all these tasks on the banner section, you choose another one. You may select app design, icon design, and a lot more. Now, all you need to do is to start utilizing this website is maneuver your mouse to join for free button and have a click on that. By doing so, this will pop out. Just enter your email and password and click Let's Go. Once you've signed up and logged into your account, you can begin browsing all of these different tasks. When you find one that suits you, simply click on it, submit your design, and earn money online. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.